Epictetus was property, not a person. Property. His master liked to twist his leg. For entertainment, like breaking a toy to see what happens. The sound came first, ligaments stretching, like rope pulled too tight. One day, the master twisted harder. Epictetus spoke calmly. "You're going to break it." The master's eyes lit up. More pressure, more twisting. Crack. The bone snapped. Clean, loud, final. The smell of sweat and fear filled the room. But not from Epictetus. He looked at his master. "I told you it would break." No scream, no tears, no anger. The master stepped back, hands shaking, not from guilt, from fear. He'd broken hundreds of slaves. They all screamed, begged, hated. This one smiled, slightly, like he'd won something. The master never touched him again. Think about that. A slave made his master afraid. Not through strength, not through threats. Through complete indifference to pain. This wasn't philosophy. This was psychological warfare. Epictetus discovered something that day. Pain only works if you react. Fear only works if you show it. Power only works if you acknowledge it. He turned his body into a weapon, not to fight, but to prove a point. The master could break his bones, but not his mind. The leg healed wrong. Epictetus limped forever, called it his teacher. Later, when freed, students asked him about happiness, about virtue, about wisdom. He'd tap his twisted leg. "You want to know about wisdom? This is wisdom. Pain is just information. Your reaction is the message." But here's what he really taught them. Every day you're tested, not by broken bones, but by broken promises, lost jobs, failed relationships. You have two choices: react like they expect, or don't react at all. The world breaks everyone, but some people refuse to act broken. That's not philosophy, that's power.